we need to obtain the value of derivative of x raised to the power of square root of x with respect to x. So here we are going to use a logarithmic differentiation. We will begin by first considering our function to be equals to y, such that we have y equals to x raised to the power of square root of x. Let's label this as equation number 1. Now what we'll do, we'll take the natural logarithm on both sides to get natural log of y equals to natural log of x raised to the power of square root of x. Now immediately we can use a property on the right hand side. So that means when we have log of a raised to the power of b, so this is equivalent to b times log of a. So that means we have log of y equals to square root of x multiplied to natural log of x. So let this be number 2. Now what we'll do, we'll take the derivative on both sides of equation number 2 with respect to x. So we have ddx of log y equals to ddx of square root of x multiplied to log of x. So we know that derivative of our logarithmic function ddx of log x, so that simply equals to 1 over x. That means we have here in log of y instead of x, that's fine. So what we'll get 1 over y instead of 1 over x. But since here we have a y instead of x, so what we'll do, we'll use the chain rule and multiply it to derivative of y with respect to x equals to, now what we have the product of two functions, square root of x times log of x. So here we can use the product rule. That will be square root of x multiplied to derivative with respect to x of log of x plus log of x multiplied to derivative with respect to x of square root of x. Right. Now we have 1 over y times derivative of y with respect to x. So that will be equals to square root of x multiplied to, so we have derivative of the logarithmic function, which is simply 1 over x plus natural log of x multiplied to, so we have to take the derivative of square root of x with respect to x. So when we use the power rule, this is going to give us 1 over 2 times square root of x. Right. That means derivative of y with respect to x will be equals to y multiplied to square root of x divided by x plus log of x divided by 2 times square root of x. Right. Now what we'll do, we'll replace the value of y with equation number 1. That means finally we get derivative with respect to x of x raised to the power of square root of x. So this will be equals to, we have y which will be replaced with x raised to the power of square root of x. This will be equals to square root of x divided by x plus log of x divided by 2 times square root of x. So this is the value of our required derivative.